What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another budgeting and savings video. Hello, you guys. Today is the March 25th. I know we're a couple of days behind on the budgeting, but hey, it's all to keep me trucking along. We're hopefully dropping a video a day for you guys. So today is Tuesday, okay? I start my job on tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So y'all pray for your girl. Well, by the time y'all see this video, I'll be already at work. Y'all will see it tomorrow, and I'll be there. So just send me a little shout out like you go, girl. But I'll definitely be telling y'all how everything happened in a couple of days. That'll be the next time I make my video. So you guys, let's get into this budget. So today is the 25th, but we're going to the 24th. Remember, I'm a couple of days behind. We're just getting home. So, let's see. Let me pause this. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Will had came in the house. I had to talk to him for a minute. He came in with groceries, so I had to get your boy Jaden up and, you know, shaking along. So, you guys, like I was saying, this video here is for the what is today? Today the 20. Oh, I already did that. Did I already do that? Oh, yeah, no. I put it in the wrong place, y'all. I'm sorry. It was 109 for today. Is today the 25th? I believe so. Because tomorrow the 26th. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. Today is the 25th. Okay, so we working off of the today video. Gonna be about the 24th. So on March 24th, that was a Monday, yesterday, I made $87, okay? And now, let's go. Let's see what the expenses was. Really nothing. So I made my budget for my housing, my rent. That was $71. And then Miss Tasha came, who is Jaden's tutor, and that was $15. Okay? Let me shut this door.
Hey, he said the money he missed out with me was only $40. He's like, it's only $40.
Goodness gracious, y'all. They arguing about vendor events. Jaden, why he tell the man? Because Jaden didn't get up and go to the vendor event, y'all, with him. Why Jaden tell him the money I missed out on was only $40? He got a lot of nerves. Now Will all offended. He got a lot of nerves, honey. Whew, child, y'all. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so that's all we spent money on, okay? So today with this, we're gonna set that to the side. And we'll be cash stuffing 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Oh, goodness, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm all distracted a little bit. So it's 20, 40, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's separate this money. And I'm excited to go over and put, like, when next month comes, I'm excited, and probably this week, I'm you know, make out that budget and see what the bill's looking like on a monthly overview. Like on a monthly overview. I'm excited to do that. Oh, and this is what I wanted to do also that we did not do. Okay, let me add this income up for last week because I started last week. So that's 156 plus 126 plus 185 plus 96 plus 123 plus 51. And then I did get a Facebook check, but I shouldn't probably count that. So I'm gonna minus that, and then 117. Okay, y'all see that? That was the income for last week. So let's write that in. In savings, I don't have this amount yet. Like food, I didn't write all this out, but that's the beautiful thing. Next month, I will be writing it all out, and I'll have an amount. And then I can know, because right now I just start to do this, so I don't even have a total savings amount for that week, for last week yet. So we'll figure that out. Alrighty, get our bills binder and put this $71 in here. Y'all, I'm a forewarn y'all. Like I didn't 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm telling y'all right now, like I ain't spent nothing extra or nothing, but this how much I made so far, because you know what I mean, it is what it is. Because remember what I told y'all with my gas and all that, I'm trying to make it make sense. Y'all will see what I'm talking about on the next video. So where like I'd rather come on home than waste $15 more in gas instead of just stop working. You know what I mean? Because the more I work, the more gas. But I'm just saying, y'all, I just feel like, nope, give myself 8 hours, and whatever I'm making 8 hours, that's that. You know what I mean? That's that. You know? I don't have a job right now, but I do have a job. I started tomorrow. So the only reason, you know, I got to get it however I can, you know, because $800 to $1,000, that's what I normally can do on DoorDash. It's still what it is. Whether it's a paycheck or not, it's money coming into my household until I can do better. Okay? So let's see what we got now since we done added that money in. So we have, let's see. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 4, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 390, I believe. Yep, 390. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Whoops. Whoops. Sorry, y'all. Alright, 421. Sounds about right. Yep, sounds perfectly alright. Alrighty. Yeah, so what I was trying to tell y'all, I'm going to have to turn some of these ones in, because this ain't before it's over with. So, but yeah, y'all, that's what I got. And I said, I'm going to follow what I said. I don't care if I got $1 or $2 to stuff. That's what it is. Can't forget the $1 in here. And the $1 a day. See you growing in there, $1 a day. I see you growing. But yeah, y'all, it is what it is. And then, for this extra $1, y'all, I'm going to put it on Wheel Savings Challenge. Just so we can, let me move this out the way. Just so we can move on to the next ones and stuff. So y'all see that? Yeah. That's one. So we can move on to the next. Excuse all the sounds in the background. But, yeah, we're going to put this right here. I think this is it. Yeah. So now his savings challenge has I didn't figure this out before. Yeah, nice savings challenge has 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I can do better than this. Cause I'm not about to fool with that, y'all. I am not about to fool with that, honey. Yeah, take this old wallet. Ice cream truck and stuff. I got everything going on. Oh, let me get my pizza. Hold on, y'all. Goodness gracious. All right, I had to get my pizza out the oven. I'm making pizza and kale salad, Asian kale salad. Got nuts and all that. That kale salad from Costco's, y'all. All right, y'all. So that wraps it up for this video. Y'all, thank y'all so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry, this video was all over the place. I understand that. Okay? But today is one of them days. But the show must continue, right, you guys? All right, see y'all on the next video. Bye.